Crafters, so lovely to see you, and thank you for choosing us to be your fun and learning partner. We invite you on an exciting journey where we have carefully selected activities to enhance your creativity, your mental and your mathematical skills. Time to unbox! In this box is filled with 5 different creative crafts and a free game. Shall we find out what's inside? Whoa! So, I immediately see the free game is Jenga, lucky you. Okay, so we have an instruction kit for you, and that's great because you've got video links to all the crafts that you're going to be doing. So that's easy. Oh, we've got a picture here for sand art, and we've got different color sand over there. We have tote bag for your painting, paintbrushes. We have glue, scissors, tape, very important for your tape art. We have some more paintbrushes, and we have the origami. That's great for your origami craft. We've got a lovely little canvas for your painting. So many things. Oh, we have some beautiful fabric colors here for you. And we have even more paints. Look at this, my gosh, it never stops. It's the box that never stops. We've got some oil paints. Over here, we have some lovely pencil crayons, colorful ones too. We have, oh, this is lovely. This is for your pencil toppers, an entire kit for your pencil toppers, all in one bag over there. And oh my gosh, look at this, a free game of Jenga. Lucky kids. Enjoy! See you in the next video. And don't forget to follow us on our social media channels.